I'm on a roll. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a much requested review of the new Huda Beauty Nude palette. This is a pretty interesting palette because it has 4 foiled shades, 2 glitters, a concealer, and then some shimmer, satin matte. Girl, there's a lot going on up in here. I'm going to review it for you guys. I'm going to try it out. Also in this video, I'm going to do a full face of Huda Beauty makeup, but I can go ahead and tell you the only thing I don't have is eyebrows, so I'm going to go ahead and some eyebrows on my face, and then we'll get started with the video. Woo! I just said a lot of information real quick. And can we talk about my bun today? I finally got her looking good. My hair is not greasy. This is gel to tame the babies because normally they're like too little on the side of my face. And today I was like, I put some finishing gel from Way in and I was like trying to control the beast. So that's what's happening today in this video. Hopefully I'll get this Saturday. I'm filming, so hopefully I'll get it up on Sunday. Girl, I'm on a roll. Anyways, let's sing the subscribe song and then let's review this stuff.
Subscribe to my channel before you leave. Subscribe! We love you, Laura. We love you.
Alrighty, now it is time to jump right into this video. Be sure and give me a thumbs up as well. Jumping right in, this is the palette. Let's go ahead and talk about it a little bit. It says as 10 buttery matte shades, 18 eyeshadows total. I believe this palette's gonna be $65. Girl, let me don't even know the price. It is on pre-order at Sephora and it is $65. You get 18 shades. However, the pans, they're kind of smaller in her palettes. Let's see the size. I could definitely see me hitting pans on some of the neutrals. Also, there's this interesting concealer shade, which I've never really seen in an eyeshadow palette. So I think that's pretty innovative and really cool. On the palette, it says there's 18 eyeshadows, 5 ready to layer textures, 10 mattes, 4 reflectives, 2 pressed glitters, 1 pearl, 1 concealer to prep your lids with. So, also, she sent me the brushes. I got this in PR, by the way. But she sent me the brushes. One's a really nice blender. One's a little bit more dense. And then one is a sponge. Now, I would normally throw this brush across the room and be like, get out of here. I know that this is for the foils and the glitters to use, so I'm going to keep it around. Now, let's go ahead and do my base makeup because I normally start with base makeup. You can do whichever. There's no wrong and right way to do it. And then I'm gonna do the eyes with the palette. First, I'll start off with the Complexion Perfector. And this is, Perfection. Complexion Perfection. Yep, never used this one before. Didn't think so. Let's pump her out. Woo! This feels pretty nice. As mentioned before, I've had pretty good luck with Huda Beauty makeup. Next up, I'm gonna go in with the foundation and I'm gonna mix Cheesecake and Latte together. And we're gonna blend her out with my, girl, let me get her. Y6 brush Morphe. And you can use code LAURALEE at checkout for 10% off your order. Okay, we're just gonna blend her out. We love foundation lips. I always say this foundation smells like the Avon makeup lotion, like a hand lotion. It reminds me of my grandmother, and I don't mean that in a rude way. I just mean dude. Woo! Foundation, check. Go ahead and get that concealer off my lips. I'm gonna go in with the concealer. I've been using this stuff every single day. It has so much pigment in it that it's honestly the only thing that can cover these demon dark circles under my eyes. The gold feels nice on the tip of the concealer as well. So in case you're wondering, I'm using the shade Sugar Biscuit 12G. I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out with the Y6 brush as well. And I'm just to stipple it. That way we don't get any brush strokes in our concealer. Now it is time to set it and forget it. I'm gonna use, wherever she went, here she is. I'm gonna use the setting powder from Huda. This is called Pound Cake Easy Bake Loose Baking Powder and Setting Powder. So we're gonna open her up. Woo, we got a little bit on top. I like these big old Laura Mercier sponges. They're my favorite. You can pick these up at Namie's. You might be able to get them at Sephora. I'm not really sure. But girl, I really like to set it. Oh my God, I got it in my eye. I do like the setting powder. Woo! While that's setting, God, it's in my eye. I went too hard, y'all. While that's setting, I normally will go ahead and do my eyebrows. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows. I'm gonna use this Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in shade number 4. I've been using this pencil for a very long time. Okie dokie artichoke. So now we're gonna go ahead and get started on the eyes and then I'll come back and finish the face. To begin, I'm going to take, I love not knowing what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take Tickle And I'm gonna go ahead and apply Tickle into the crease. I'm using an R39 brush to blend this shade right into the crease, and it is really pigmented. I do have a MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre down already. It's just so you guys know what I have to prime this, and I didn't set it because I wanted it to be really tacky. That way I have less fallout while blending these bad boys out. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend this in the crease, and then I'm gonna go ahead and soften the edges like this. Once I got majority of the color, blend it into my crease. I like to take what's left on my brush and just kind of buff out these edges where it becomes seamless. You can make it seamless. No harsh lines needed, girl. No harsh lines allowed. Next, with the same brush, I'm gonna tap into Spanked, which is a little bit more of a fuchsia-y pink-esque color. So we're basically just gonna be deepening this up, and I'm gonna go ahead and start packing it on that outer corner right there as well. And next, with the same brush, I'm gonna go into Love Bite. The colors do have a little bit of fallout, but I don't think it's anything like crazy or anything to be weary about. I think it's pretty normal amount of fallout. And they don't really seem to be falling out on my eyeball, so that's good. Thank God. So I'm really packing this one on. I like pushed the majority of the color on the eye, and then I go in and start to blend it out, which, if you can see, we have a little bit of fallout, but nothing too crazy. This is the part where it's kind of harsh. I like to take a clean R39 brush, and it really helps to soften up the edges, but without dispersing more color if you just get a clean brush. It doesn't have to be the exact same brush you just used. I just have a clean one on deck, so I'm gonna nab it up and use it. But it just helps to soften up those edges without dispersing more color. This is the part of the video where I'm a little nervous about. I like to use a really thick concealer to carve out my lid because, girl, if it ain't thick enough to carve it out, then it's just not worth the flip. So I'm gonna take a bunch of this concealer and hope for the best with it. I mean, I hope it works out. I think it's a really smart idea, but we'll see. Okay, we got coverage. I was doubting ya. To help you get a cut crease, a lot of time I'll put the color down and then I'll open my eyelid and kind of like poke where that crease is, or like make a little line right there, and you can kind of know how high to take your cut crease. Literally forgot to use these brushes that she great came with it. I'm so mad at myself. I'm sorry, guys. There's like this little bitty tiny brush. I'm gonna tap into Bare, which is our matte white shade, and I'm gonna start packing this on right up in here, which is the front of the eye, but I'm not gonna pack it all the way across the eye, just the front and center area. All right, and now comes time for the glitter. So here are the two glitter shades. We have Excite and Infatuated. I think I'm gonna use Excite, and if I want some more, then I'll go in. Ooh, yes, there's a hair. Oh my god, that makes me sick. It's my own hair. Oh, it's like a fuzz. Maybe it's a hair. Ooh, lovely. So now I'm just gonna press this onto the concealer. I feel like I should have put a glitter glue down. I kind of regret what I did immediately. Let me just grab a little bit of this Violet Voss glitter glue, and I'm gonna pack this glitter onto my lid because, girl, I love a glitter. I'm actually gonna add a little of Infatuated as well, which is the lighter pink one right beside it, and mix them because they look kind of similar. Like that. I like a little bit of the white peeking through. I think it makes it look really beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the other eye. I think this eye look looks so cool. There isn't a light shimmer shade in here for the brow bone, which I think is interesting. I'm gonna go ahead and put this matte shade on my brow bone just using that tiny Huda brush. Girl, where'd she go? Y'all should see my desk when I film. It's disgusting. I'm actually gonna take some of Crave and pop it right into my inner corner, because this is actually a light shimmery color. I didn't realize how light it is, but it looks kind of dark in the palette, so I see that this is the light shimmery color, girl. I'm like, ooh, okay, I see, okay. I'm like living and breathing for this eye look. I'm so sorry. I think it has this really cool dimension in it. Girl, let me get over it and move on with the video. I'm gonna go in with Tickle, which is our light matte pink shade. And I always like to just connect. I like to build up these colors too. Let me just blow that out a little bit. These brushes are really soft. Oops, sorry, I got a text message out. Next, I'm gonna put on some Spanked and mix it with a little bit of Love Bite. Next, I'm going to curl my lashes and then add some Huda Beauty lashes. I think Huda, if I'm not mistaken, Huda started her brand with eyelashes, which is really interesting to see. I'm gonna try out Noelle. I remember everybody used to do this on Instagram. Ooh. Oh, the good old days. Lashes are on. Now I'm gonna finish my face makeup. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this Golden Sands Edition 3D highlighter palette. She doesn't really have a matte bronzer, which I guess I didn't realize going into this. So I'm gonna take just like a little bit of Tahiti, which is a golden deeper bronzer. I'll mix it with a little bit of a matte bronzer so we're not a total mess. I'm gonna take a Y4 blush, and for blush, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this pinky shade. And lastly, for highlighter, I'm gonna take an R36 brush and go in with the golden shade. For lips, I am going to, gosh, I have so many of the colors here from Huda. I'm gonna first line my lips with the Huda lip liner in Trendsetter. Next, I'm going to put on Jet Setter, which is a very pinky nude. This color does not match. Next color. I'm gonna put on Sugar Mama. That's better. A little peachy. All right, let's try Crush, which is a nude nude. I think that's better. Now I'm gonna mix a little bit of this lip liner in. I went ahead and added a little bit of the golden highlighter to my lip to give it like some pop. All right guys, that is it for this video. I really like the palette. I think even the concealer in the palette works super freaking well. I did use glitter glue with the glitter. I think it's smart to do so. And yeah, I think it was great. Blended spectacular, and the glitter's so cool. And yeah, I think it's a really cool palette. It is a little on the pricey side, but you know, you get a lot of shades and a lot of different stuff going on, so that is something to consider. Thank you guys so much for being here and watching. I hope you like this review and like full face of Huda besides like mascara and brows. Yeah. And I hope this is my first time filming a video. Subscribe to my channel before you leave, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys. Oh my goodness, you guys haven't seen this Hunkins of Love. Oh, so sweet.